Hey everyone, Rick here, and folks, we are back again. This is Supreme Week 6, I believe. This is the True Religion collab. Now, unlike last week, you may notice there's only a single package here. Why is that? Well, last week I was late, so I was just grabbing things one at a time. This week I was on time, and it was one of the fastest and smoothest checkouts I've ever had. Apparently, even though a lot, if not all, of the True Religion stuff ended up selling out pretty quickly, it still wasn't a super hyped collab. Is this the first week that I do not get a deck of cards? We're about to find out, because I can't believe how many decks of cards I've gotten. I think that was it. I think we're out of cards. All right, folks, here is what we ended up picking up. First of all, a pack of hex bugs. Unfortunately, the packaging's kind of meshed. Now, of course, I keep everything for myself, so I am going to be keeping these anyway. I wasn't sure if I would actually take them out of the package, though. I actually have a game that you can play with these, so I was almost thinking about opening them anyway, but we'll see. See, you can put them on these tracks and stuff, but I actually have a board game that goes with this kind of hex bug stuff, so that's cool. Very cool to grab that too, just regular box logos. We'll get to the True Religion jacket in a second, but instead, let's take a peek at this hoodie. Oh, yes. In the pink colorway with the silver embroidered patches, which is just fantastic, sewn-on patches. And then I also picked up the Dragon Ringer tee, which has that embroidered dragon with Supreme, and I got the white and red tee. I love the white tee with the red accents around the neck and the sleeves of each arm. It's just a short sleeve tee with this dragon embroidery, so I thought that was a cool tee. That one ended up selling out. This was my favorite colorway in this hoodie. That one ended up selling out. The black True Religion jacket sold out, and then also the hex bug sold out. So everything I got sold out pretty quickly this week. So it was a hype week for me, and I checked out with all this stuff in a single cart in maybe 60 to 80 seconds, which is really good for me because I'm just doing it manually. But anyway, let's take this one out. You can pretty much see the details of those two. Let me set this down. But this jacket actually is pretty sweet. Now, this is the first piece of True Religion anything I've ever owned. If I wanted something more, I don't even know how you describe this, more kind of like, not rugged, but kind of out there with the stitching and the metalwork and stuff, I normally go with Rock Revival in terms of those kind of jeans and stuff. But I thought this jacket looked really cool because it has this thick white stitching, these metal accents all over it. Obviously, Supreme, big, bold, kind of in your face across the front there. And nice little zipper with just a pull. There's nothing on the drawstrings, just kind of sewn over. Nothing on the back of the hood or the jacket itself. So it's really just a black jacket with this thick white stitching, which I do like because it is kind of that look that I like with my Rock Revival jeans. And if we get this zipper completely off, I guess we don't need to worry about that right now. But then on the inside here is what this all looks like, with the logo or the label in there, and this. Very cool. You can take some time to read that if that truly matters to you. Otherwise, yeah, and it feels actually really warm, especially under the hood, like thick, warm material, which will be great for fall and winter. And a couple other pieces. So that is what we picked up week 6. I hear week 7 upcoming. And I should also mention, shipping for this was super fast. I mean, I had that nightmare week 1 where I didn't even get some of my stuff until like week 3 almost. But this, again, Thursday, shipped it out, I think Friday, Saturday, Sunday, delivered Monday. So that is pretty sweet. And that's back-to-back weeks that shipping has been that fast. So that's awesome. And I hear fall tees are coming this Thursday, so I can't wait for those. But anyway, folks, thank you all so much for watching. I do truly appreciate it. And until next time.